Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I haven't been back in a while. Things were pretty crazy during the holidays. We had my husband's and my oldest son, his wife, their 1-year-old baby, and his older son from his first marriage. So it was a pretty crazy time around here. So I'm still going to do the ornament video though, because I know a lot of people work on videos through the winter. So I'm still going to do that. But I wanted to show you a little gift box I got recently. I did not go out and purchase this stuff. My friend Jane was it was given to her by a friend of hers, and I wanted to share with you what I got. And these are all old. I guess the woman that gave it to her is in her 80s. And these are all plastic, but they're really beautiful, faceted. They look like glass. And then this is a little necklace with seed beads, and then there's a shell pendant. Oh, I didn't even see that. They put a flower. It looks like they decoupaged a flower onto this shell and then put seed beads through the hole. And then the same seed beads, there's a pair, I think there's 2 earrings, yes. There's 2 earrings that are just wired, or I think they're either some kind of wire, and they just hooked them onto I think they crimped them. I have to look at them closer. It looks like they looped them around, because there's 4, so they looped it up like this. So they looped it, and I don't know exactly. I'd have to look at this. I've never seen anything like that. But anyway, and then the necklace that matches it. There's a little bit of different seed beads. It's broken, but I'll take it apart for the beads. Now here's an old necklace, and I love these old necklaces because if you notice, it's strung on chain, not a string. See if I could get it apart, you could see, but I don't think it's gonna, it's pretty tight, but I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it here. It's strung on chain. See if and I've had gold necklaces like that in the past that are strung on chain, and I do believe these are plastic coated with metal. I could be wrong, but they don't feel heavy enough, and they don't sound like metal. Then there's some, I think these are just acrylic pearls. I don't think they're glass. They do have a beautiful clasp, and I like taking these pieces like this, and you can actually use them for earrings. Now, it's missing 1 stone, so it'd be hard to find a square stone, so you might have to be creative with that. This is a small bracelet. This is also strung on chain. You can see there's a chain there. And these are acrylic. I'm not exactly sure what this is. It absolutely makes no sense to me. If any of you know what this is, I would love to know, but it's just an odd piece. It's got a tassel. I don't know what that is. It doesn't slide, so it's because that's looped on. So I don't know what that is. Now this is a bag of loose beads, and they're orange. And you've got some real translucent ones in there. Just beautiful. And I don't mind acrylic beads at all when they're really pretty. And then it looks like there's a pendant of some kind. Oh, that's funny. It's a football. So I don't know why that was in with this. But there's quite a few beads in this bag. And then a really vintage old football. Look at that. You can tell that's old. Then, I don't know what these are. If you can help me on that. But I have no idea. I have no idea what these are or what they do. But they were in there. They've got these weird little ends on them. Oh, they open up. I don't know. I've never seen anything like that. Here's a green necklace with some interesting, they're acrylic or plastic, interesting beads, and then some nice oval beads. Again, very nice quality. And like I said, I don't mind plastic when it's nice. Kind of a filigree painted orange. Now I will repaint it something else if I use it. I love this old container. This is a really old plastic container. And it's got a mix of old vintage, mostly plastic, I think, beads. Yeah. Just a nice, interesting mix. Might be some glass in there. And here's this necklace here, which is just some faux pearls with gold spacers, which are nice because usually they're silver, so it's nice to get some gold ones. And here's another set of pearls that's super long. And these are, I'm not sure if they're acrylic or glass, but I think they're, like, if they're not glass, they're nice heavy plastic. Here's a broken chain, but it kind of reminded me of paper clips. I thought it was neat, and that'd be a fun chain to use in something. And oh, it's not broken. I thought it was. Nope, it's not. It's actually a full necklace. It's got one of these type of clasps. So yeah, really pretty chain though. And then there's just a bag of stuff. And there are all kinds of beads mixed in here. Mostly plastic. I think they're all plastic. Nothing really extraordinary. There's a few kind of cool ones in there. Let's see. These are kind of neat. There's a few of those. And some speckled ones. Kind of marbled in different sizes. Now those are heavy. They're acrylic, but they're a nice heavy plastic or acrylic. Now these are interesting. This bag here has glass strawberries. It's a whole bag full of glass strawberries. And let me pull a few out to show you. Oh, maybe they're not glass. They might be acrylic, but they have the shine of glass. I can't tell. They're either very nice quality plastic or they're glass, but they look like glass. Kind of sound like it too. And they're mixed in with these beautiful acrylic beads that I think some of these might be that Moon Glow plastic from I don't remember the year. I used to know more about Moon Glow. Now this is an interesting little earring. I've never seen an earring like that before. Look at that. Where they actually glued the ear piece onto the side of the bead. Pretty neat. But it's just a plastic thing. I might not be able to use the top and bottom ones, but I can use the middle ones. But I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I might sell that on Etsy because I think it's kind of neat. Now these look like seeds. These look like some kind of seed pods. And there's some interesting caps in there. Let me pull one of those out to show you. I think there's two. They almost look like a bell. Hold on. I think there's two in here. Oh yeah. It's not filigree, but it's got a nice detailed design on it. Really pretty. And it's just full of whatever these, some kind of seeds. And then there's more strawberries. These are definitely ceramic. You can hear it for sure. But there's a ton of them. And they're all, can be individually used for earrings. So I thought those were neat. Now this is a neat piece. These are, well, it's actually a broken piece. Let me open it up and show you. It's a big bag. And I believe These are glass. Let me get one in my hand and show it to you. They're like a blue, almost look like a drinking straw. You know those striped straws? Except they're an icy blue. It has a very oxidized looking or damaged thing here. I don't know what that's supposed to be. But there's several of those little tassels. And a bunch of little oversized seed beads in here as well. And there's some of these that are longer. And then some that are short. And the shorter ones are a little bit heavier too. Really neat. Really pretty beads. And there's a couple of earrings in here. I don't know if there's a set. I don't see another one. So it looks like I have some random miscellaneous earrings, but this one's really cool. It's got a back glued on it, but you can always nip the back off, and this could be glued onto a pendant that you're making. These are some really pretty beads as well. It's all acrylic, but they're gorgeous. Really good quality. Here's a big necklace. It's like a 3-strand necklace. And it's pretty good size. And these are all faux pearls. But you got some nice big ones. They kind of have a foil look to them. I think these are plastic beads, and they have a foil. And then these are plastic coated with metal. We've discussed those before. That's just an interesting, when I take it apart, it'll make some neat jewelry. Then this is glass. These are glass or ceramic. I think they're glass. And they're lamp work maybe, or they're painted. But they have a little design on them. Very dainty and pretty. The beads are gorgeous. I could see myself using these in projects for sure. And there's a full set of these earrings. These pink. And there's a full set of these, which are very interesting. These are they signed? They look like they're actually signed. Let me see if I can read the name on it. Hold on, I got a magnifying glass. And I will tell you what it says. If I can show you, I will. Might be reading it upside down. I can't read that, but let me put it in front of the camera. And maybe it's right where it bends. Can you see that? I can't quite make that out. But it does have some sort of signature on there. Then there's these interesting earrings. Never seen anything quite like that. There's a set of 2. Very heavy. Enameled. There's no signature on those. But they're very nice quality. Here's the other one of those pink earrings. Some gorgeous blue beads. In fact, I think I saw one on my table that I dropped. These, no, maybe not. Look at this. This is stunning. Beautiful. Oh, yep, it's broken. Seed beads are falling off. Okay. It's got some gorgeous, these are glass. The pearls are not, but I've had this style of vintage glass bead before. That I've actually made earrings for myself out of. It's a beautiful piece. This is an odd little thing. If it was brass, it'd be kind of steampunk. And I've got 2 pairs of red hoops. A small pair and a bigger pair. Small pair is plastic. I think the big pair is too, honestly. I've got a pair of these. These are also a plastic hoop. And one earring. Nope, both of these. Both of these kind of a pearly button type earring. And these are some little odds and ends. Let's see what's in this thing. I just casually looked through it. I waited to really go through it till I was talking to you. Here's a little stone right there. There's a key and a little screw and one of those pin ends. Just a lot of little fun stuff, but this is kind of interesting. I don't know what kind of stone that is. It's an interesting looking thing. I don't believe it's real. It's kind of dull. There's a pair of these earrings. Really cute. And I think, oh, there's this odd bead in there. Oh, here's a couple more of whatever those things are. A longer one and a short one. I'm curious to see if anybody out there will know. The last thing is this little box of just stuff. I've got findings with little, these are all acrylic, but they're pretty. There's some peach in there. These might be earring. No, these are the two sides. I don't know. I can't make it out. But it's just parts and pieces. Some little faux pearls, a couple little peach plastic, and then these drops. There's a good amount of those little drops. There's an old kind of screw of some sort in here. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. There's also an old watch band as well. I don't think it's worth anything, but it's in there. Maybe I can make something out of it. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. I know I've been away too long, but I should be back in the saddle here soon. My husband's going to really help me by watching the baby more on his days off so I can get in here. And today I've been cleaning all day so that the house, the room is clean so I can work. I've still got some ways to go. Let me point you over toward my boxes. I've got a bunch of boxes over there that I got to go through. Some ribbon to put away here. So, but I'm working as fast as I can, and I wanted to get this posted, and then I'll get working on that ornament over the next few days, and hopefully get that video done for you soon. But I thought you'd enjoy seeing this little gift box I got. It was a lot of fun. And I'll be back again soon. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe. If you like the video, I hope you'll like it. It really does help my channel and any of your favorite channels if you like and subscribe. If you do want to subscribe, you hit the little bell, and that way you'll get notifications whenever a new video comes out. But anyway, I will be back soon, and we should be able to get some kind of regular schedule going now that company's gone and I'm getting back on track. So I'll be back soon. I want to say Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas, and I'm looking forward to a really nice year, and I'm excited to share a bunch of new projects with you. So I'll be back soon. Bye.